Hey, hi, hello. This is Sarona from E4 Analytics, and in this video, we're gonna see about how to create a measure table in Power BI. Stay tuned. So in this video, we are using a data set called Global Superstore, which is very much popular in Tableau people who are using it, and you can easily download it from a Google, so you can get it in an Excel form. So now in this data set, we have three tables: order, people, and returns. So we're gonna use a measure table in this data set. Before that, so let's we have a question. So what is measure table and why we need to use that? So measure table we use in a project to keep all the measures we create using DAX in a centralized place. So anyone in your team, anyone in your organization can able to pick up a measure without any problems, without traversing through all the tables in the data model. So we can easily figure out which measure we're going to use for which one in a centralized way. So to create a measure table, so I have two measures here. So Australia sales, Afghanistan sales. So I want to turn this returns table as a measure table, and you see this icon is represented as a table, so we want to change it as a measure. So to make this table as a measure table, so we need to hide all the non-measure fields in this table, which are market, so which needs to be hidden. So we need to hide order ID, so we need to hide returned. So when we hide all those things, and still you can see this one showing it as a table. So we need to do a tiny refresh. So refresh means we just need to collapse this field pane and expand it again. So I'm gonna collapse it and I'm gonna expand it. Yeah, so you can see the icon in the table pane is changed to a measure icon, so which is represented as this table is officially turned into a measure table. So you can create it any measure and keep all the measures in the centralized place to keep the work neat and clean, and anyone can access it at any time without uh, much uh, much search in the data model. And that's all from my side, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment below, and if you see any other video which is better than this video, please post the link also here, and have a good day. See you. Bye.